Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. Calculating nominal GDP using the income approach is fast if you know which specific values to add from this data table. Let's begin. First, we sum up all the primary income components, which include wages of $800, interest of $150, rent of $100, and business profits of $400. Next, we must add the indirect business taxes of $165 to our total because these are part of the market price of goods and services produced annually. Finally, ignore transfer payments as they are not earned income. Adding our values gives $1,615, making option B the correct choice. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid rush by ignoring transfer payments and trust given income components for success.